In this video, we will show you how to find the IMEI information on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The IMEI stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity, which is basically your phone's unique identifier. There are rare cases wherein you're going to be asked by your service provider for the IMEI of your phone to verify your account. Here's the easiest way to find it. Pull up the app drawer, look for the settings icon and then tap on it. Once inside the settings menu, tap the search icon at the upper right portion of the screen. Now type IMEI and then tap IMEI information. You will be brought to the status information screen, so after that, tap IMEI information to proceed. If you have a dual SIM phone, you'll probably be seeing two IMEIs. Make sure you don't share the IMEI of your phone with anybody else. We hope that this tutorial can be helpful. For more tips like this, subscribe to our channel, or click on another video to keep watching. Have a good one.